Hello ladies and gentlemen, today in this video I'm going to be doing some Valentine truffle nails, chocolate truffles. This is how they turned out on my right hand. This one is like a medium chocolate with white drizzle or cream or frosting. This one is a color changing, and I wanted it to kind of look like the white chocolate with the chocolate sprinkles, and then when it gets cold it turns to a strawberry chocolate with the chocolate sprinkles, and I'll show you the color change after we're done with the video. This is a dark chocolate with the strawberry syrup drizzle, and then this one has like little nuts on it with the white drizzle, and it's a light chocolate, like a, you guys know what I'm talking about, like a different colored chocolate. It's all chocolate, but it's like we have a dark chocolate here, medium colored chocolate, and then a lighter colored chocolate. The reason that I picked this specific look is because of the polishes that I received for review. So I'm thinking it's kind of like AIMEILI or AIMEILI or something. I probably butchered it, sorry. Anyway, they contacted me and asked me if I could test out their products, so I did ask them if I could try out their base and top coat. So they sent me a base and top coat, and then they just sent me two random colors. And I don't have on all of my nails, I just did the drizzle with that. So I wanted to show you what it looked like on a nail. And look how beautiful it is. And then this one here is a beautiful pink with the little black sprinkles, and then it's got, well, black little glitters, and then it's got micro glitters in there as well. And then when this gets, I think it's when it gets hot, yeah, when it gets hot it turns like a white chocolate, like that. So I did go ahead and lay down my base gel. I've actually had these open, but I wanted to show you these little boxes that they come in. And I went on their website. They have a bunch of colors of gel polish. Lots of stuff. So you'll have to check them out. They do come in these adorable pink little bottles. These are 10 mLs. This is their no wipe top coat. It is UV and LED curable, and it is soak off. The hollow on the top that says no wipe, and then base. Okay, so you got your base and your top coat, got your two colors, and this is how they come, nicely packaged. Now I do believe the colors have a name, but I will have to check on that. Don't quote me. This one is number TC28, and like I said, it goes from like a strawberry pink to a white, and it's got glitter. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm glad they gave me colors that kind of coordinate together too. This one is number 004. And this does have a name. And I don't remember what the first part of it is, but I did look it up. But that is the last bit of the name. But it's 004. I will leave links below. As I use the products, I'm going to tell you what they are. I did mix some chocolate colors together. Okay, the next step is taking the color changing polish. I did 2 coats of those colors on these nails and this one. It only took 2 coats, so just so you know. Alright, so I'm going to take this color. This is what it looks like. This one is a bit thicker, but it applies really nice. And I'm going to go ahead now and paint. Now, the only thing that's hard about putting this one on is it automatically changes to the lighter color, so it's kind of hard to see where you went. But what I did was I put 2 coats of this on, and I just kind of like lay it down, make sure that I get every single spot, so I know that it's, you know, went over with the polish. So, and I'm trying to get these little black things to spread out, because that's my like chocolate chip, like my little chocolates. I am going to flash my inspiration for these. It was some chocolate truffles. I'm going to go ahead and cure it. I'm just trying to get those little sprinkles to stay. There we go. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Okay, after those have been cured, now it's time to add our drizzle or syrup or whatever you want to call it. You can do like the strawberry syrup, and then you can do like the white frosting drizzle, whatever. So how I made my syrup is I took the other color of gel polish, laid it down, and I mixed it with my hard gel, my clear hard gel, to make it more syrupy, easier to apply. Watch. See that string? See that string? That's what you want. And I was having such a hard time getting it that's why it's kind of like thicker over here and thicker here, because I couldn't get it to string across my nail, because every time I would pick it up the string would go away. So, but I'll show you what gel does string really well, but I don't have red, or I don't have this color. Alright, so let me zoom in. So what I'm doing is just taking a little bit of my gel and drag it. Kind of make crisscrosses. I really like the drizzling effect, but with some gels it's just too hard to do. Alright, now I'm going to do it on my pinky. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and cure that real quick so it doesn't move around, but you're just going to go ahead. Okay, so put it in the cold water. It turns pink. So you've got like a strawberry chocolate with chocolate chips, little chocolate chips. And then with this one you have the strawberry with the little strawberry drizzle, raspberry drizzle, whatever drizzle you want to make. And then this one is the same. It's already cold. And then when you put it in the hot water, it turns to a white chocolate with white chip, or with chocolate chips. And with the nails. Now we got the white chocolate with the strawberry drizzle and the chocolate chips. And then the white with the strawberry drizzle. Alright, so there's one of my Valentine nails. I will be doing another Valentine set very soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you again to this company for sending me their gel polishes for review. Don't forget to check out their Amazon website. I will leave the No Wipe Top Coat and Base link below, and then I will leave their website below and the numbers of these two. I absolutely love them. I absolutely enjoyed doing this set. I hope you guys liked the video. Please let me know in the comments section down below what you think of these chocolate nails. I think they look good enough to eat. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell so you know when I upload next. And I shall see you in the next video. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Goodbye.